For a functional design, we need to put material when needed and remove material when not needed.
In order to improve fuel efficiency or energy efficiency, it is necessary to reduce the weight of the car, and the wheel is one element for weight reduction. RRT has been developed in 2007 and is in mass production since 2009. We can decrease the weight in different areas of the wheel, and for the area of the rim section we use the RRT technology to decrease the rim thickness.
RRT is a lower cost approach to the weight reduction.
RRT process does not need the additional process steps that are needed for the flow forming wheel. The quality controls used for RRT wheels are exactly the same as the quality controls that are used for normal casted aluminum wheels.